Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First time here, welcome. Not your first time, thanks for coming back. So I'm finally getting back to some freaking cold chisel, and I'm excited about it. Now, when I was looking for this video, so this video is for a recommendation that was, what is it called? Flame Trees. Fire tree, what a dumbass. Flame Trees. So, this is the original music video. I'm not sure what year it came out. I probably should have looked that up. Flame Tree. And it looks like this came out in 1984, so it's a very low quality video. It's like 240p, but hey, that's freaking part of the deal. I know what it looked like in the 80s. So I'm excited to check this out. But one thing I did notice is what I wanted to say. I see here advertisements for it looks like a anniversary tour, 50th anniversary tour, and it was 2 years ago, 2024, from Cold Chisel. There's gotta be some type of videos out there. Do you know of any videos out there or any great performances from this show that I should check out? Well, the show, it looks like it was an entire tour. So, I don't know. If you know of anything out there I should check out, let me know. I love seeing different stages of bands, you know, the old school versions of a young band, their peak, and then their old selves. It's always fun. I did read Jimmy Bonds had a bit of a medical emergency, a little scare there. And I know he's pulling through, so I'm glad to hear that. So I'm excited to check this out. Headphones up on the melon, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube-y stuff. I freaking dare ya. Come on, I freaking dare ya. Let's check out some Cold Chisel. Okay, I pulled up the lyrics and I read them before I hit play. I get the premise of the song. But he's singing about not saying her name. Did she dump his ass? Did she pass away? What happened here?
Kids are driving Saturday afternoon, just pass me by. I'm just savoring familiar sights.
Just love his voice.
We shared some history, this town and I can't stop that long forgot feeling of her. Time to book a room and stay tonight. Number one is to find some friends to say you're doing well. After all this time, you boys look just the same. Number two is the happy hour at one of two hotels. And settle into play, do you remember so and so? And number three is never say her name.
I love seeing older 80s videos.
Oh, the flame trees will climb the weary driver.
This is vintage footage to kids these days.
And there's nothing else can set fire to this town. There's no
Look at that thing.
change, there's no place. Everything within its place just makes it harder to believe that she won't be around. No.
That guy got in his head.
Needs that sentimental beautiful anyway. It takes more than just a memory to make me cry. And I'm happy just to sit at a table with old friends and see which one of us can tell the biggest lie.
No, bullshitting. That freaking hat.
And there's a girl, she's falling in love near where the piano stands, with a young local factory out of worker, just holding hands. And I'm wondering if he'll go or if he'll stay. Do you remember nothing stopped us all the deal in our way? Oh, the flame
Why are they blocking out?
There's no change, there's no place, everything within space.
Glass tiles.
Makes it harder to believe that she won't be around.
It's just a good song. It's just a solid, good 80s song. Wow. I should have looked up, was that song a hit? It looks like it was a hit. It must have been a hit. It's got that classic 80s feel. I have never heard this song, and I know my 80s music, so I don't think it charted here. I have to look that up. But, and again, to say, a lot of this stuff didn't come out in the States, so yeah, it's kind of disappointing. It has kind of a John Cougar menstrual cramp, John Cougar Mellencamp, my teenage self came out there, type of sound and feel to me, right? Like that classic John Cougar type sound is what it felt like to me. I just love his voice. He's gonna better singing voice than John Cougar, but it just sounds great. And I heard a song the other day. It was on one of my 80s playlists. I wish I had a girl that walked like that. When it first came on, I forgot the name of the singer. I think it was his only hit. When it first came on, I thought it was Jimmy Bonds. I was like, is this Jimmy Bonds singing this song? Did I not know that? Because, like I said, when I first discovered Jimmy Bonds, due to this channel, I didn't even know that I already had a song on my playlist for freaking Jimmy Bonds. It was basically him, the dude from InXS, right, doing that song from freaking vampire movie, and now I can't think of anything because I'm an idiot.
Everybody shame, everybody groove.
But so I just thought that was funny because now Jimmy's in my mind. I'm aware of him, and I'm freaking happy about it because now I have a lot more good songs on my playlist. So hey, think of anything else. Like I said, if you know of anything from that 50th anniversary tour, any good videos on that, I'd be happy to check those out. I'd be excited to check those out, or anything else that you recommend. I'll trust you. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon.